Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I would like to show you how to add custom background to our photo in CapCut. Let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut and we're going to click on new project right here and choose the photo that you want to make it as your background and click on photos section right here, and this is the background that I want to use. And after that we can click on edit photo. And hold on guys, it's still loading. Alright, after that we can click on stickers and pick the photo that you want to change the background. And before you pick the photo, you can click on this photo button right here, and you can scroll your screen until you find the photo that you want to change the background. And I'm going to choose this one. After that we can click on add right here. Alright, and click on auto select to remove the background of this photo. Okay, and don't forget to click on this check mark. Alright, and we can zoom in this photo to adjust the ratio to the background like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can add custom background to our photo in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!